All right, guys, what's up? Not much. Today, probably fabricating a battery bracket. Had some leftover scrap metal, so I figured let's just try. I actually, what is it? Measured this. This is just enough for a base to go around the bottom of this battery. So we're either going to put the battery in the trunk or in the front bumper. I don't know. Not too sure yet, but we'll see. I mean, who knows? We might not even post this video because I couldn't make a battery bracket, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and cut this out, make for the bottom of the bracket, and let's get to work. Looks like it'll fit. Looks kind of crappy. Let's go ahead and clean this up. Cut some 45s in here, get ready to weld, and let's see how it comes out. I guess, looks like it'll fit. Looks like it's wide enough. So let's go ahead and keep rolling. So threw some tack welds in here just to kind of tack it together. It does hold up. The battery does fit inside, so that's good, right? I was gonna cut 45s down in here and kind of like do a weld down the side and in the middle, but then I was just like, that's just too much work and I don't have time for all that. So we're just gonna just leave it like this. And plus I still got to make some little, I guess, ears or whatever to pop off the side so you can run like the little, I guess like the battery tie down, the little rod through it. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and cut out some rods, and then let's go ahead and let's weld this thing up and let's see how it comes out. So got our battery bracket welded up nice and strong, probably never going anywhere with the amount of welds that this thing has on it, but we did test our battery. It does fit inside. I also drilled some holes on the outside over here for these rods. You can get these rods in like a really long, this is just a universal thread. I don't even know what size thread it is. I stuck it in the vise and I just cut it down the length because I think that's about the right height. So let's go ahead and slide our battery in. Let's go ahead and slide these in and let's see how it fits. Because the thing is, I guess, I really don't care if this doesn't fit where in the front, because I'm trying to put this in the front of the car. But if it doesn't fit, I'm just going to use this bracket in the trunk. So win-win, I guess. But let's see see how it looks. What do we have here? Not bad. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Not for a little afternoon garage project, you know, out of some scrap metal. I think that thing came out all right. So I guess the real question is does this fit up front? Because I knew the battery fit. I did test the battery, so I kind of built this, you know, close to the battery. But other than that, I don't know. So let's go see if it fits.